They're the ones. Come over here. Fuck! Fuck! Spray! Spray! Fuck!
Black Dodge Stratus. Clear the scene.
Oh! Assault on officer! Assault on officer!
Sarge, I'm here with you. I got
God damn it!
assault on an officer.
The 9th of October, 2023. TJ Maxx retail location jurisdiction. Unconfirmed probable southern United States. Multi-incident response. Child abuse, organized retail theft, and chemical assault. On a law enforcement sergeant.
So I have 3 females in the building right now. They have been actively selecting. One of them I have on camera stuck in the black duffel bag that she selected off my floor. One of them is wearing a black jacket and she does not have a face mask on. The other one is wearing like a red lingerie suit, short sleeve shirt, shorts.
They're still inside
They're still in there, but we can't.
They're still inside the building right now.
We can't do anything until they actually pass the commissar and come out the store with our merchandise. But when I was coming up here to meet you, they were still in the kids section selecting our items.
Stop, Brandon!
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Come here. Come here.
Hold on, sir.
Come here. Turn around.
Ah! What are you doing to me?
Central, I have one detained, unassociated. What the hell do you think you're doing?
I'm getting them in the car.
Bullshit.
You keep on hitting it!
Oh, at least they're on top of it.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, will be appointed to you at no charge. You have the right to stop answering my any questions at any time. You also have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. Do you understand your rights?
Understand your rights? Yes, no. As long as you understand your rights.
I haven't broken on, please. I'm glad someone called the police. She's inside our place.
Who? Their mom?
Yeah, she's in there. There she is. But when I told her he was dragging him by his neck, she went, oh, is he?
What am I being arrested for?
Why do you think, sir?
I don't know. Well, I spanked him, but I mean...
No, you did not spank him. Everything's on body cam. Is that your mom?
Yes.
Is that your husband? That has the broken arm? That has the broken arm. Is that your husband?
Well, a friend. We're not.
Well, he's probably going to go to jail today.
Okay, so, I mean, what happened exactly?
I saw him punching that guy multiple times. And I'm not talking about discipline. I'm talking about punching multiple times.
We tried telling
In
you
the
that
head.
you kept on doing it to him
In
when
the
you
head?
Yeah, it was, it's going to be child abuse.
Okay.
All right, which will probably lead to other issues, but on his side of things. Has he been acting up today or what?
Because he wasn't listening, because he was running in and out of the aisles, and he basically he said, well, you're going to have to come get me if you want me to stop.
Okay.
And then finally, once he did get him, I guess.
Look, I'm all for punishment of kids who act up, but what he was doing is not right. It's not within the laws. All right. We can go back to your car if you want.
Is there anyone else 10-8 that can come to TJ Maxx? There's 3 suspects and just one of me right now.
250. I'll help out if you need to. I'm right here. We got this guy in custody, so.
If they're concealing things inside the store, we can detain them.
Okay.
But unless...
As soon as they walk out with the merchandise, one had a black duffel that is ours that has a TJ Maxx tag on it, unless they have a magnet, but it is a black duffel.
Central, can you generate a second call at the same address for child abuse? And that's the call that we'll have one in custody on.
Those are the other 2. There's another girl that was with them. That was the second. She was the one with the black duffel.
Is that them? 250? We sure that's not them?
She's saying that's them, but they don't have any merchandise. They dropped it inside the store.
10-4.
The one the Brown's carrying the duffel bag.
We can't stop them.
They're the ones. Come over here. Fuck!
Black Dodge Stratus. Flee in the scene.
Oh! Assault on officer! Assault on officer!
Sarge, I'm here with you. I got you.
God
I got
damn it! God!
assault on an officer. Sarge, you have water in your car?
I got water in my car. Fuck!
Where's your car? Fraction is going to be a
Yes!
Not a charger.
It's an Avenger!
It's not a charger. Like a video. Tag on the back. Hey, I got water. I got water. I got water.
Seems secure.
What the fuck?
Touch right now. Touch right now. Touch right now. Try not to have your eyes. Relax. I've got some paper towels.
Did you get sprayed?
Yeah.
Okay. You back up. Here's some water for us.
Do you have any rags or paper towel in your car?
Yeah, I got a shitload of towels. Let me go. I'll be right back. What's part? Oh, y'all work there?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Oh!
Appreciate you. Thank you.
I can't breathe. God, do it.
Yeah.
You gonna get 47 or something so we can get it?
I think we got one. I think we got one over here. Yeah, we got one over here right now.
Where's the other towel? Oh, that's nasty.
Throw that rag down here. Avenger, newer, little small kind.
It was old beat up print tag though.
Yeah, then I think that's I said that was one that was at the mall was all beat all up and shit.
It was the same one.
Okay.
Sean.
Yeah.
Take care of him. I'm gonna go get camera.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
One of them pepper sprayed our sergeant.
Okay. I have a officer here, the one that responded to the call. One of the girls that left when they left here, one of the officers that was on a different call, she pepper sprayed him.
I think Beverage seen him leave out of here.
Yeah, there was an officer going.
Yeah.
But I don't know if they caught up with him or anything.
I can do it. I've never been sprayed that bad.
There's a lot.
Yeah, Goodall said it looked like a damn hose pipe.
No.
Like a damn garden.
They had it. Fucking girl in the camo and black hat.
That's the one that had it.
She pulled it. So I come for the shoplifting call. I see a guy decking his kid with a full-on punch, which makes sure that kid gets ID'd. It's the young black male, frilly hair. He's the victim. The full-on punch, child abuse. I saw it, witnessed it twice. I see the girls come out. They looked familiar. They matched the description. I see them going towards that Avenger. Perfect description from Academy Sports where they stole felony amount. I go up, say, hey, come here. At that point, she pulls it, sprays it. Luckily, it was a thing and not a gun. Oh, I almost drew my gun, but
So I was already on the floor watching.
That's what Hurt said. He's able to talk a little bit more now.
Yeah, but I've heard they've been using like bear spray and shit like that. So
That one in Nashville, I think, did it. Greenwood?
Uh-huh.
Green Hills or something?
Yes, yeah. So this is the three of them. Okay, this is the one that I have on camera concealing. That's the one I called on. They walked out without anything. There was another female that was already in the store that I was watching. She was the one that was wearing the tan that I was telling you about with the tan purse. And I said, I know she has something, I just can't stop her because I don't have her on concealment. But that's them right there. I think she looked pregnant when she came out.
Did they actually get anything, or is it just the one in the tan that...
You got the merchandise back though, right?
I did, that's it. That's what they were concealing.
Right, in the bag,
Yes.
So when we were here the other day, they sold a bunch of 4T,
4T.
Nike clothes, like 30 sets of like,
Yes,
like $740,
Yes.
yeah. But I just saw that tag, I was like, 2T, okay, still in the kids' clothes.
Yeah.
Merchant detention law. Law enforcement may not lawfully stop a shoplifting suspect until merchandise has passed all points of purchase or the suspect has exited the premises. Stopping before that threshold constitutes unlawful detention regardless of observed concealment. Child abuse vs. corporal punishment. State child abuse statutes prohibit force that causes or could cause physical injury to a minor. Repeated closed-fist strikes do not fall within any legally recognized scope of parental discipline. Direct officer observation establishes probable cause without additional corroboration. Miranda v. Arizona 1966. Custodial suspects must be advised of the right to remain silent that statements may be used in court and the right to appointed counsel. Per California v. Prysock 1981, verbatim recitation is not required. Substantial conveyance of each right satisfies the constitutional standard. Graham v. Connor 1989. Reasonableness of an officer's response is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. An officer who perceives a rapid movement as a potential firearm draw is evaluated on that perception, not on what is later confirmed. Terry v. Ohio 1968 and United States v. Socolow 1989. Reasonable articulable suspicion is assessed on the totality of circumstances. Matching vehicle, clothing, behavioral pattern, and connection to a prior felony theft at a separate location collectively satisfy the threshold for a lawful investigatory stop. Assault on a first responder. Deploying a chemical agent directly at a law enforcement officer during a lawful approach constitutes criminal assault. Flight immediately following deployment negates any claim of defensive use and compounds exposure under obstruction statutes. Organized retail crime. Merchandise theft valued between $1,000 and $6,000 constitutes a felony level offense carrying enhanced sentencing, mandatory restitution, and elevated probation terms. Prior convictions in separate jurisdictions for the same conduct are treated as aggravating factors at sentencing. Case outcome: assault on first responder charge dismissed via negotiated plea. Guilty plea entered to felony theft of merchandise. Restitution ordered in excess of $11,500. 2 years probation supervision. Separate jurisdiction, 230 days. Incarceration, 2 years probation. Approximately $5,100 in fines. Case resolved the 25th of April 2025. Key lessons: know the detention threshold before approaching a suspect. Miranda substance controls over form. Reasonableness is evaluated at the moment of action. Organized retail crime groups increasingly use chemical weapons against officers. Pattern conduct across jurisdictions compounds sentencing exposure significantly.